hold this for me. Oh, I'm sorry. All right, dog. Here you go. So, like I said, man, I'm not trying to give you a hard time or anything, you know. But they say you've been here for a couple weeks now.
Yeah.
It's their business, man, not a mechanic shop, but just when you can, all right?
Yeah,
I already told them that your truck is broken now, you know.
Yeah.
But
As you can see, there's a lot of people broke down
yeah,
here.
yeah. I
Like
mean,
that.
I get it. I mean,
I saw that girl sit down right there. As soon as she sat down, I looked and I turned my head that way.
yeah.
And that was it.
Well,
So I knew
somebody seen something and it didn't look right, and they complain. Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, it's your benefit right now that they're not here, because if they would have filled out a statement or something, this could have went a whole different way. Okay.
Sure.
All right.
You,
You good? Where's that?
54 Emerald Oaks Lane.
Do you know what that is?
Do I know where that is?
Yeah.
I feel
Emerald.
like that's 6 or 8.
10 Delta 5 6 Central. You can clear us with a trespass warning. Show us en route to that alarm. Okay. I'm going right now. Here you go. That's the trespass warning. All right. Just give it a little bit of time, so he can take off.
Yeah.
If you see that, let's say like later on today in the night or tomorrow, he's still here, then give us a call back. Okay.
Thank you.
All right. No problem.